Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Last week we happened to see a huge correction in the share market. So whenever the stock market fall with one or other reason, our economy is very strong that the share market will rebound. But if the share market fell with the reason of COVID, it is very severe. Only for that reason, when the COVID spread news came, we can't able to control our market. So next week also, I expect a huge correction in the market if the number of COVID levels are increasing. Yesterday and today, they reported thousands of cases in Maharashtra, and the COVID cases are spreading to the other states also. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, everywhere the COVID cases are spreading. That is actually very bad news for the market. If the COVID case rises day by day, the correction in the market will be very severe. So it will affect all the shares, irrespective of the sectors, sizes, fundamentals, etc. But as an investor, there is nothing to worry. We have to hold those shares. The company with having the fundamental valuations will reach their new highs. I am sure about that. So don't worry about the share. But I expect some more corrections in the coming months until there is a positive news for the corona cases. If the corona cases start decreasing, it will be only thing to survive in the market. So now the vaccination begins, still the cases are increasing. That is a very bad news for the market. But today, I think we will get so many shares at cheaper valuation if we got correction in the coming weeks. So let us find out which companies will be benefited by most. We know that when last March when lockdown started, some sectors will severely affected when compared to other sectors. Some sectors are severely affected in the crash down because of COVID. Some more sectors are hotel industries, entertainments, etc. Will be severely hit. So I have spot out a company from one sector, that is from railway sector, which I think this share will be the number one share which comes down by almost 30% when if again a correction happens. The name of the company is IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Actually, this company had a monopoly in the sector. No other players are there in the sector, and this is a single player in the sector. It's a very good company, very monopoly company. The fundamental company is very good. But if the market crashes due to the reason of COVID, this sector will be the worst affected, and this company will be the worst affected stock among the basket. So in 2020 market, when the lockdown started, this share was trading at 2,000 rupees, nearly 2,950 rupees is trading. But after lockdown, when the lockdown started, the share price corrected and comes down near to 960, 980 somewhere else. But when after the corona cases are decreasing and everything came in favor, this share price again goes to 2000 level, and now the share price of the company is 1878 rupees. This is very simple because this company is entirely related to railways and trains. So if train service is there is not there, there is no business. The business is completely zero. Otherwise, if they started business within 2 or 3 months, they can able to recover all the losses also. This is the nature of this company. So if again a lockdown is coming, this share will be severely affected. So it is very sensitive company related to COVID issues. So if next week also COVID case increases and market get corrected, I think this share easily comes down to 1,200, 1,100 level because of panic situation. And this must be the opportunity for every investor to get into the share, because when we consider the fundamentals of the company, it is very good. Only for this reason, if it be available at cheaper valuation, just don't bother about anything, just buy that share. I had find out 4 or 5 points here. I believe that this share will be the number one to pick in when the market falls down. The reason is that the IRCTC company is established in 1999 and it's coming to IPO in 2009 at an issue price of 360 rupees, and it was listed at 675 rupees, 100% appreciation, and from that level it goes to 2000 levels, and again it comes down to 1100 level due to COVID period. Again after everything settled down, it goes again to 2000 levels, and 2-3 days after, before it comes down to 1860 levels. Okay, so the reasons are, it is the only company allowed to issue tickets for the entire railway system, internet booking. So if a person want to book a ticket through internet, it has done through only IRCTC. There is no other company in the sector. The government is not allowed any private players to enter into the sector. And second, the most important, this is the only company which allowed to sell water bottles in the railway stations, and as well as the train also. So it is a very profitable business. The sale of drinking water is every year it is increasing by 30 to 40% CAGR. So it is a very interesting business, and no other company is allowed to sell water in the premises of railways or in the train. So this is the another important thing. We know that business is very good. And the third business is that catering business. In catering business also, in railway system, this entire catering was done by this company. The government gives permission only to these companies. So in these three businesses, this is the monopoly business. This is the main thing to be notified. Okay. If we started some business in textile, something like in one area, and there is no other person to compete, we will get good business. However, sometimes if any other textile shops open, our business will be reduced. But in case of IRCTC, there is no variable competition. They are the monopoly in the sector. So every single water bottle will be sold by the IRCTC. Every single ticket will be issued by the IRCTC. Every single catering will be done by the IRCTC. No other private players are allowed by the government. This is the main important things to notice while we investing in IRCTC. So whenever we get a chance, due to COVID, whenever you got a chance, IRCTC below 1000 rupees, it is an unbelievable price. It's the throwaway price. You just buy the share. I am not recommending you to buy this share on Monday. Don't try to pick a falling knife. Allow the knife to fall down from the ground. We can pick it. Okay. So this may be the share which will be worst hidden if the corona cases increases. So to be patient enough to watch, and below 3,300 rupees you start accumulating the shares until it comes to this low 800, 900 rupees. If it comes, you can average that share. The P ratio share is a little bit high now because for the June quarter result it shows losses. Actually, they are from listed time onward, they are showing 250 to 300 crores quarter to quarter. But after the lockdown, one quarter they show losses. But after that, September, December quarter, they are showing profit also. Within 3 periods. But we know that all operations or realizations are not in full. Only 30% is operational. So if it is full swing, what happened? It's very good. So when compared to the last quarter, December quarter, it has shown 225 crores profit, but in this quarter it showed only 78 crore profit. That is the reason. But anyway, if it takes time, whether it's 6 months, 8 months, or 1 year, everything will be back. Corona will be disappear from the world itself. So when the entire business restarted, and in case of railways, I think our railway system is going to change entirely. When I talk about Fonda's things, also I talk about that. So entire system is going to change. Bullet trains are coming, some full of trains are coming. So in this company is also in the field of travel and tourism also. So they have some budgetary hotels nearby the railway stations. So when new types of trains are coming, the business will improve. There are a lot of chances there. The monopoly, these companies monopoly, no one is entered here. Only disadvantage is that, only risk is that if in future government allowed other private companies to come and market, their monopoly will lost. They have to be very face the competition. So I think it will not happen. It will not happen in this space. This is a actually this is a subsidiary of Indian Railways, so it will not happen. I think so. I expect a small correction in the market. That's why I'm telling this. So if a correction happens, the best share to buy in the market will be the IRCTC. And when we just zero touch company, the face value company is only is 10. In case of drinking water, as per the market research, 18 lakhs ton, 18 lakhs bottles of water is needed for railway. But this company had a capacity of only 14, production of 14 lakhs bottles per day. So they are trying to enhance the capacity. The expansion is also coming in this counter. So I firmly believe that if we get this company at a lower rate, buy it. This will be the another multi-bagger, and my target for this company is 6,000 rupees. If everything start normally, every railway operation is getting through, every train started the services, the business will improve manifold, and my target for the company is 6,000 rupees for the long term. So even if you buy this rate, don't bother about the if it comes down. You can hold for a period of 2 or 3 years. You will get the rate of 6,000 rupees. Okay. Anyway, this is my personal view about the company. Please consult your own advisor before taking portion in the company. If anyone is there not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Share to your friends and relatives. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.